Howdy folks, and welcome back. This is the day we've all been waiting for. We are currently northbound and about to go pull off the impossible. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a wild one. Got Alan over here trying not to sleep. Travis in the back seat. Yeah, he woke up sleeping. So, all right, see how this goes. Here we are for the insanity. Lots of iron, lots of trucks, lots of chaos.
This is what happens when you get stupid. These 4 trucks are here just for the tractors I bought in the Wright Museum auction. It's load day.
Dump trucks will go on the step deck. And then we'll put number 286 behind that one. So it'll be the 2 FWDs and number 286. A lot of iron here. A lot of moving parts to pull this one off. So here's our first one that we're loading of the day. What could it possibly be? Could it be a Cletrac FD? Why, I think it might be. As a matter of fact, it's an FDE.
You need to make a buck to bend it. Well, we got the other one we got has a bumper. So hopefully I think they have the same bumper, the FD and the FDE.
I'm not quite sure. I would imagine. Who knows though? Cletrac did some weird stuff. Look at that.
I'm glad it's here as well. It's cool too.
Oh, you know, just moving 12,000 pound crawlers like it's something cool. OSHA approved and all, baby. Shipwreck tool chains. Look at that. Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna stand away from this because it's probably gonna fall. If you look down this line, everything with a pink X on it was bought by a scrapper. Fortunately, all of these have been saved. Unfortunately for that guy, not so much. But, I don't know if you can see these. What is that? Are those 2 FWDs? 4-wheel drive dump trucks? Maybe they are. It's a face only a mother could love. Pretty good shape. Looks like an old Calaveras County truck. So, looks like we got 2 of them here. Now here's the cool part. These are coming home with us. Surprise! Yep, this is the first my wife's finding out about this is editing this video. Sorry, honey. Love you. Tractors for miles and miles and miles. Tons of Cletracs and Cats and Internationals. God, wish we could save them all. But fortunately, a lot of these went to good homes. Especially this little guy. And by little, I mean, this thing ain't small. It's up to my waist. Cletrac FD. It's an early diesel, the largest one they ever made, aside from a 100, but they discontinued the 100 in the 30s. Became the FD and then the FDE. We got one of each out of this sale. Bucyrus cable unit. This will be a nice runner. First load rolling southbound. Cletrac FDE, Cletrac DGH. See you at home, girls.
Oh, Jesus Christ. We just broke a giant cable. She is stuck.
Now that's how you move a dozer. Cletrac DDH. Another one going home with us. Whee! Gosh, it's like living in paradise. Alright, gotta make it home before the rain and before it gets dark. Oh wait, that ain't gonna happen. Well, maybe before tomorrow would be nice. Almond Auctions is generous enough to they provide loadout assistance, so that makes it very nice. But yeah, it definitely takes some time, especially day one of the auction pickup. Woo! It is hectic. Trucks and trailers everywhere. Oh wait, another one of ours. God, just for miles. Unconventional methods. How did we get this done? Many OSHA violations.
He's floating in the back on that one.
Yep, Garlic Pete. That one, Madman. Love it. That's 25,000 pounds floating in the air right now.
I met his ass end on that track.
And then the ass end on that 966 is also in the air. Neat. And the supervisor.
All the way forward or what?
We're loading the final one on the airtail. This is a little hectic.
Oh yeah. We got one tire that rolls. This is a 1934 FWD CCW or CCU, I think it is. The original, the first company to build a four-wheel drive truck. We got another one rolling. Clean of beauty, isn't it? Doesn't look like a $5,000 truck. It is now.
Getting down to it now. Last FWD to load for today. We've got 3 more crawlers. And then we're gonna blow this popsicle stand. Right here we got 2 FWDs loaded and southbound. Thank you to the boys at Peralta. Hell yeah. All right, we're getting to it. You know what? Time to hit the road, and we still got another load to come back and get. So this is gonna be quite an experience. Just give you a quick last turnaround. A lot of stuff leaving. And a generator. What could this be for? Does that say Hercules diesel? Oh, it does say Hercules diesel. And that's a spare motor for the FD. Hell yeah. Rocking and rolling, baby. Time to go home. Southbound and down, come on back. Well, here we are, still southbound. We're on our way home now, about 2.5 hours from our destination. And then we get to sleep a couple of hours, wake up and unload all this stuff and turn and burn back northbound. So, yeah. Just humming along I-5, headed south, back through LA. Jump on the 210 here real quick, and it's about 8 o'clock at night. We should be home around 11:30. Started this morning at about 2:30. Have not stopped. 1 meal in for the day and a hydraulic breakfast. That's how we get it done out here.